All right, well, my name is Adam Strain. I started here in April of 17, and I'm a service advisor. I first learned about Feldmann Imports because my neighbor was a parts manager and had told me about the position here. And I've seen Feldmann Imports as I've driven by many a times, and then figured I'd give it a shot. What I like about working for Feldmann Imports is that it's a small family feel, which I really love to death. How they take care of their employees, take care of their people, and that goes on to how we take care of our customers. The one thing I find most challenging at Feldmann Imports is trying to tell somebody about the situation with their automobile, if it's broken down or whatnot, and you know that the automobile is very important to them or whatnot, and the decision they have to make to either do the repair or to either go on and maybe get another vehicle or to come along those lines with it. I guess the biggest thing that I see my job is helping the people make the best choice with their automobile. In some cases, they've had the car forever, the repairs just kind of overjump the bounds of what the vehicle's worth, and just kind of leading them in the right direction. Outside of work, I like to spend time with my family. I have a beautiful wife and 2 kids. I love spending time with them. I love to cook. I just took up reading again, so that's kind of been my big thing. But most of all, I just like spending time with my boys. So the best way I find to balance my career and family at Feldmann Imports is I've learned a long time ago to leave work at work and leave home at home. When I go home, work is here, and then I have time for my family, and then vice versa. It's it's kind of walking a tightrope, but you get good at it over time, and it's one thing I really like to apply because I feel like when I'm not here that I need to dedicate my time to my family. The best advice I give somebody new to this company is that things just take time. If you don't know it, ask. You're surrounded by a lot of good people that have a lot of good insight, that have been in the industry for a long time. I always tell my customers if I don't know the answer, I'll find somebody that does, because I know somebody here will have it, and if they don't, I know that we'll be able to find it. I take pretty big pride in knowing that I can help people with these decisions and knowing that I have a team that supports me. It's important to provide excellent customer service because I want the people to come back. I want them to come back to see me. I want them to come back to Feldmann Imports. With a vehicle like a Mercedes-Benz, I mean, you have other choices here in the Twin Cities, and you don't have to come here, but my job, and I take a lot of pride in the fact that I want you to come back. I want you to come back and ask for me by name.